Welcome to Maskbook, and this video will show you how to use Maskbook. Go to maskbook.com and install Maskbook. Create a nickname for your Maskbook persona. Now, you can use Maskbook on Facebook and Twitter. Connect a social network profile and start setting up. Maskbook will automatically recognize your name. The following text is your public key. Please add the public key into your bio so that other Maskbook users can identify. Don't worry about your data privacy. All your data will be stored locally. Just like you usually do, click the tweet button and text what you want to encrypt. Write what you want to post without letting the platform know. You can also select specific recipients below. Maskbook will automatically encrypt the text. Click the tweet to post your encrypted text. You can also use the image payload to encrypt the text. Here is the comparison before and after using Maskbook. It is really important to back up your persona. Your persona contains your private keys, otherwise you cannot log in back to this account. Do not forget to back up your wallet too. This is the first time you can send decentralized cryptocurrencies on decentralized social media. Choose random or average mode to send the red pocket. Your best wishes to your friends. When you see a red pocket on Twitter, just click it. The red pocket will be arrive in your wallet shortly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at maskbook.com.